Let's take a minute to see some of the scenic highlights before the video begins. Good morning.
Good morning.
Carmelita and I are camped in Leadore, Idaho. For today's adventure, we're going up to Dairy Lake. The sign says it's 2.5 miles. I believe I've read somewhere it's a challenging Jeep trail. Carmelita, are you ready to make your way up to the lake?
Ready to bounce around.
Wasted no time running some of the rocks.
Hums like a steel cage bird. Wheels spin fast, trails a blur. Razor to Dairy Lake. Hold on tight, no time to break. Razor to Dairy Lake.
We're not even in more than a 1/4 mile, Carmelita. There's already some challenges.
Twist through trees where the shadows dance. Rocks bite hard, but we take the chance. Idaho skies big and blue. Breathtaking.
Maybe we need to buy a Jeep.
Gonna take Jeep trails, we need a Jeep.
Every turn, scenic fires start to burn.
You're rushing towards us.
Ready?
Rush hearts won't ache. Razor to Dairy Lake. Love ignites with each mistake. Wind in our lungs, the world feels near. Idaho trails, crystal clear.
It looks like it's smoothing out. We're through the worst of it.
For the moment.
Eyes sure are pretty blue right now.
Feel the rush, hearts won't ache. Razor to Dairy Lake. Love ignites.
Sign says we're on 6004. Call it a trail.
Idaho trails crystal clear.
So we're in about 1.5 miles. Trail's been pretty good other than right at the start. Starting to see the distance there, Central Mountains. Wouldn't it be great, Carmelita, if the trail stays smooth like this the rest of the way to the lake?
That would be great.
Dust kicks up as the wheels spin wide. RZR roaring on a bumpy ride.
It's like we're back in the creek.
Side by side, Idaho trails, they call us away. Through the rough to the beauty we sway. And Dairy Lake shines at the end of the day. Pine trees wave as the engines hum. we don't go numb. Every bump's a beat.
Now we've got roots and ruts.
The air is wild.
Be the 4R trail before it's over. Rough, rocks and roots and ruts. It's actually not been bad other than the start.
Through the rough to the beauty we sway. Dairy Lake shines at the end of the day. Oh, the laughs we spill on the rocky ground. Every mile's a treasure, every turn profound.
There's the Lake Carmelita,
Idaho, where love is
Dairy Lake.
Very good sign.
Idaho trails, they call us away. Through the rough to the beauty we sway. Dairy Lake shines at the end of the day. Oh, the laughs we spill on the rocky ground. Every mile's a treasure, every turn profound. Scenic Idaho, where love is found.
Well, we've made it to the Lake Carmelita.
It's pretty.
It's a beautiful little lake.
Yeah.
Got some mountains there. We're gonna fly the drone and have a look around.
Sounds good.
Well, Carmelita and I have made it into Dairy Lake, and it's pretty here. The lake's really pretty. It seems a little shallow. I'm not sure if there'd be fish in it. But we're going to sit here and enjoy the views and have some lunch. And we want to thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you'll join us on the next.
See you soon.